captured by the Nevada State Athletic Commission, Chairman Dallas Hahn, Executive Director Jeff Mullen. Our three judges scoring this contest with octagon side are Mike Bell, Derek Clearly, and Eric Cohen. And when the action begins, our referee in charge of the octagon, Mark Goddard. This championship bout is brought to you by True Classic, where perfect fit beats hitting comfort. Visit TrueClassic.com/UFC for a chance to win store credit. And by Toyo Tires, the official tire of the UFC. And now, for those in attendance and UFC fans watching around the world, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Live from the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas. Introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist holding professional record, 21 wins, 4 losses. He stands 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 135 pounds.